Leash, my love. I know it seemed like this day would never come after all the postponements, but here we are, and I cannot be more happy and ready to take on this new adventure with you by my side.
Today is the day our lives become one. Our journey to this day is one I would never change. Over the past 10 years, our love has grown and become so strong and vibrant.
The whole world is laid out before you, and there are so many mountains left for you to climb. But take the time to climb them all, and to celebrate each one. Celebrate each milestone, big or small. Celebrate each year that passes since you started this journey together. Celebrate each other's accomplishments. Celebrate each other's hardships that are overcome. And sometimes you should celebrate for no reason at all.
Yeah.
Just because each day is made sweeter when you're together.
You're such an amazing person with a beautiful soul. I love the way you take care of people, me included. Your ability to be empathetic in some of the most difficult circumstances teaches me a lot about how to embrace life and take challenges head on with a smile. And I want to take on many more challenges with you by my side.
I love the way your weird sense of humor pairs perfectly with mine, your ability to make me smile when I'm down, and the way your presence calms me. The man you are and will become is the man I want by my side forever.
Now, Jer and Alicia, please take a minute and look at each other and think about where your lives are going to be 5 years from now. What's going to be different 10 years from now? Can you picture where you'll be 30 years from now?
I will always be honest and faithful to you. I will always be by your side, even down black diamond runs. And I will always continue to love you forever. Yeah.
We built houses on top of all the hills and mountains, but I'm not scared to fall from me. When I have your hand in mine, maybe we'll look back and see our dreams from far away. That we had all that we could need to be happy. If we could do this different, we would choose it all the same. 'Cause we have all that we could need to be happy.
I promise to be by your side through the worst and the best parts of life, and to continue to grow into a better person for you and our future family. I will forever be honest, faithful to you, and love you forever. You are the love of my life, and I'm so elated I found you.
With this ring, we forge a new path on our adventure together.
I will always love you.
Now, upon the authority vested in me by the province of British Columbia, I pronounce you as husband and wife. You may seal your vows with a kiss.
We could need to be happy if we could do this thing. We would choose it all the same.
estar más feliz y orgullosa de convertirme en tu esposa hoy.